Hello my dear students, welcome back to our YouTube channel. For this video, we will be talking about thesis statement, its components, how to write it, and how is it different from topic sentences. So before we start, let us go to our intro. If you're new in this channel, I share educational content for senior high school students, particularly video guides for the self-learning modules. Bigyan niyo po ng support ang channel na to sa pamamagitan ng pagla-like, pag-comment, pag-share, at pag-subscribe sa ating mga videos. Daghang salamat! Knowing how to write thesis statements is very helpful since it will serve as a guide on how you will write your overall essay. If you already have your thesis statement, magiging madali na lang sa inyo kung paano isulat yung body ng inyong essay since it contains the parts or components that will be used in the further parts of your paper. So without further ado, let us start with our lessons.
Hello my dear students. So for this lesson we will be talking about thesis statement, its components, how to create it, and how is it different from topic sentence. So what is thesis statement? Thesis statement is the overall idea of your work. It is a general statement that presents essential points that leads the reader to the right direction. So when you say thesis statement, it is your overall view. It is mostly located on the introduction since it will be giving the readers what the paper will be all about. It contains the main idea and the subtopics that will be discussed further in your paragraph or your academic text. So thesis statement has three components. We have the main idea, controlling idea, and your supporting topics. Should have at least 3 topic sentences. So we will discuss why this supporting topics is considered as topic sentences. So for example, this is an example of a thesis statement. The ASEAN region is a dynamic system because it capitalizes on the cultural diversity, rich resources, and a variety of perspectives. So in here, you will see that this green area is your main idea, the blue one is your controlling idea, meaning it gives your stand or your point about the ASEAN region or your main idea, and the red one or the maroon one are the supporting topics or the topic sentences per paragraph. A good thesis statement has several qualities. Number one, it is always a declarative sentence. You have the example, what is plagiarism? It is a poor example of thesis statement. It is not a thesis statement. You would want to improve it to this version. Plagiarism can be explained from cultural and socio-cultural perspectives. If you would see, your main idea is your plagiarism, and your collecting idea is you want to explain it, then your subtopics will be cultural and socio-cultural perspectives. So that is your improved version of your thesis statement. Next, a good thesis statement is focused. It provides the supporting points that strengthen the main claim. So again, thesis statement has your main idea and your collective idea and your supporting details or supporting topics. So we have a poor example here. Why is this a poor example? So an effective local government unit should have good communication facilities and efficient resource management programs since these initiatives will be beneficial for its citizens. As you can see, it has your main ideas, but it gives a lot of supporting points that does not really focus or does not strengthen your main claim. You should have good communication facilities, and you also have this since. So it is portraying to a lot of points. As what we discussed, a thesis statement should be focused. However, in this statement, it gives the main claim and your supporting points, but it also gives this reason since these initiatives are beneficial for its citizens, which is giving another point, and it is not mainly focused on the effective local government unit. You can improve this example by improvising it to this example. So, improved example is effective dissemination of information and effective resource management are indicators of effective local governance. Our main claim, which is the effective local governance, is supported by your points, effective dissemination of information, and effective resource management. It does not go to other topics which is seen in your previous example. So this is an example of, or improved example of thesis statement. You have your main claim and your supporting points. Okay. A good thesis statement should have clear boundaries, meaning it sets limits to what the essay intends to explore. So what is in your thesis statement is the only things or the only things that you would describe throughout your academic text. Your main idea supported by your supporting claims must be comprehensive yet concise. It should not have unnecessary words that is connected to it. Though thesis statement is quite longer than topic sentences, it should be sufficiently narrowed and based on the boundaries that you want to tackle in your academic text only. So for example, so this is a poor example. Guitar playing skills can be improved if the player is dedicated and there are sessions devoted to the technique, and investments on good equipment must be considered since these will be influential in performing in front of an audience. So what can you say about this example? You may notice that it has unnecessary and unfocused points which makes the statement not concise. So you can improve this by making it like this. Excellent guitar playing requires countless hours of practice, strategic decisions in purchasing equipment, and tireless dedication. So from that lengthy, poor example, you narrowed it down based on the boundaries or the things that you want to tell to your readers, and you use specific words that will be easier to understand. So you have your main claim, which is excellent guitar playing, and you have your supporting claims, which is the countless hours of practice, strategic decisions in purchasing equipment, and tireless dedication. So now that you know what is thesis statement, how is this different from topic sentence? As what we discussed earlier, your supporting claims or your points or your topic sentences per paragraph. So the supporting ideas of the thesis statement is the topic sentence of the body of your paragraph. So for example, so like this, you have your main idea, controlling idea, and your supporting topics. These supporting topics would be your topic sentences per paragraph. So, in your introduction, this thesis statement will be included. After that, you will make paragraphs that emphasizes on these topic sentences. Your first body could mainly focus on cultural diversity. Your second part of the body can focus on the rich resources, and your third part of the body can focus on the variety of perspectives. So this would be the topic sentences, the body of your paragraph. This is helpful for you if you make your thesis statement like this, because you will already have a guide and you will have already a general clue on how you will form your academic text, since you already have your topic sentences that you would use in your paragraphs. So that is thesis statement, its components, creation, and how it is different from topic sentences. Thank you everyone for listening, and if you have questions, you may comment down on the comment box below. God bless everyone and enjoy your day. Bye!